If you want to connect your Redmi Watch 6 with the Strava app, then what you need to do is on your smartphone, you want to open the MyFitness app or MyFitness app. Then at the bottom, we're going to switch to Profile and you want to choose third-party data. Now over here, we have the Strava options. Of course, we're going to choose it. And then you want to tap on the Connect button. Now you will open a website where you will have to log into your account. So unfortunately, if you have a Strava app installed on your phone, it doesn't really matter. You just have to actually log in on your website. Now, for me, it is very simple because I actually used my Google account to create an account on Strava, so I can just keep going and I can just proceed with the login process with my Google account. And of course, in your case, you just want to log in using any of the methods that are suitable to you. And we need to authorize the MyFitness app to connect to Strava. So let's tap on authorize, and there we go. We are connected straight away. And that is pretty much it. Now your activity data should be synced to Strava from now on. Leave a like and subscribe.